Hola, buenos días. Bienvenido to the Daily Word Builder from the Language Learning Journal. Soy Ruth y hoy quiero hablar de por ahora. And por ahora is on page 102, 102. Por means for, of course, but you know that para means for as well. But just think, we say por la mañana, por la tarde, por la noche, in the morning, afternoon and night. So of course we say por ahora. And it's quite fun to say. Listen to la pronunciación, por ahora, with the little r, por ahora, for now. It's lovely to say, so enjoy saying it. Okay, I think that this is useful to use with the How Fluent Am I section. So, How Fluent Am I is on página, page 80, which is 80, 86. How fluent am I? And maybe you are approaching level A1, level A2, por ahora. See? We're going to help you build to that with the Daily Word Builder, with 100 Days of Spanish, with the Learning Journal. We're going to build your Espanol so that you go from being a basic user to an independent user. Subscribe and like the videos por ahora. Mira los videos por ahora. Estudia un poco por ahora, and let el futuro take care of itself, because it will. And that's everything. Por ahora. Hasta mañana. Adiós.